In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create master slides in PowerPoint. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can start a brand new deck or open an existing presentation you want to tighten up. We're going to build a design foundation once and let PowerPoint apply it everywhere for you. Go to the View tab on the ribbon and choose Slide Master. This takes you into the Master Editing mode, a special workspace where you control the global look and feel of your slides. In the pane on the left, click the very top thumbnail. That's the main master slide. Anything you place or change here becomes the default for all associated layouts and in turn for the slides that use those layouts. It's the best place to set brand elements that should appear throughout. Let's add a design element like a logo or background image. Head to the Insert tab, select Pictures, choose the image from your computer, and click Insert. You'll see it appear on the canvas. If the image overlaps text areas, right-click it and select Send to Back. That tucks it behind your placeholders, so titles and content remain readable. You can drag from the corners to resize without distorting and nudge it to a consistent margin so it looks intentional. For a softer touch, adjust transparency, select the image, go to the Picture Format tab, and use the transparency options to lower the opacity. A subtle watermark effect keeps your content front and center while still reinforcing your visual identity. While you're here, customize the rest of the master. Update fonts and text styles so headings and body copy are consistent. Refine colors and backgrounds to match your theme. Move or resize placeholders to guide where titles, content, and images will land. You can also add headers or footers such as the date or slide numbers. Every change you make at this level will flow to all slides that use this master, keeping the deck unified. When you're satisfied, click Close Master View at the top. You'll return to normal view and your updates will appear across existing slides. Any new slide you create will pick up the same design automatically. Don't forget to save your work. Press Ctrl+S or click Save to keep your changes. Master slides help you maintain a consistent design, save time when editing multiple slides, and create a professional, cohesive presentation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.